Okay, so this right here, the center is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. And the radius is 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, radius equals 4. All right, so that's what I have. I'm going to complete the square on one of these, and then I'm going to figure out which one is the right one. So x squared plus 10x plus space plus y squared plus 4y plus space equals negative 13 plus space plus space. 10 over 2 is 5, squared is 25. 25, 25. Okay, 4 over 2 is 2. Hang on. Squared is 4. Whoops, what am I doing here? I'm going writing too fast. 4, 4. Okay, so that's what I get. So then that's going to give me x plus 5 squared plus y plus 2 squared equals, then all of those added together are negative 13 plus 25 plus 4 are 16. All right, and remember this is r squared, so r equals 4 because I take the square root of that. All right, but the center is negative 5, negative 2. All right, which is not the right center, so that's not it. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to look at what changes with this stuff. All right, and I'm just going to modify those things. So I'm going to write this in purple. So this becomes minus 10x, which would make this minus 10, which would make this minus 5, but that stays 25. All right, and then what's that going to change here? It's going to change this to minus 5, and then that becomes a plus 5. And that's good because I wanted that. Okay, so it doesn't change anything else. Then it's going to change this to a minus 4y, which is going to change this to a minus 4, and this to a minus 2, but minus 2 squared is still 4, so it doesn't change that. And then it changes this to a minus and that to a plus. Okay, it did not change anything about the radius. So the radius is still 4, all right? But now the center is negative 5, or sorry, positive 5, positive 2, and that's what I wanted, all right? So the second one is the answer, okay? And then if you go through to the other ones, what this one does is it's going to flip it around and give you negative 5, negative 2, all right? It puts it back to the original one. But it's going to end up making your radius, it's going to be 2. All right, because it's going to be negative 25 plus 25 plus 4, which is going to give you 4, which is going to give you negative 2. All right, so that's I was trying to make sure I had that the right way there. All right, and that's what it's going to end up giving you right there is that. All right, so it's going to end up giving you a radius of 2, and then this one is going to end up giving you 5, 2, but then a radius of 2. So that's why those are wrong. Again, you can put it in the calculator, you could complete the square for each one, or you can just kind of play around with what's going on carefully and make sure that you have the right answer.